Let's fuck the next entertainment.
Yeah. Me say Brana my feel. I do. Oda beba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya nebra menchembe fe manu wape. Oda Brana my feel. Oda wacho. Se wode manya na makumata me ya. Me say Brana my feel. Hey wacho. Se wode manya na makumata me ya. So don't be late, don't be late. My feel won't come out the other buffet, man, no cracker. But don't be late, don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You go kill me, make I die, eh. I done not cheer me. Until we be jamia, my time for besering me.
Obiarim, logins. Yo, Rose. Yo, bad man, why I say? I buy like you also. We format where you give the client. You say, but like you know, first, I give my login, say like you know, take my login, sir. Where you go, where see the format where take you from Yama, be like that. Cancel the reply where they give me. Obi I won't trace the money like I don't take right now. She say everything mess up right now. Ah, bro, what's up? So you be saying make a chop way to go chop someone what? And when am I no one answer? Chop make a chop someone head way. He say see. He don't like I don't but I know they won't reply me. Can't see, I swear. Rose, you no try. How about that? Hey, you know the reply. I said it. I call this Odogu guy, make it give me different formats. Odogu Dani. Chama salute to I greet. I get this client See. I don't make it give me some legit informative like that. They make us start do everything from top, from scratch. You understand? Make us call you. Hey.
I'm sorry.
So can't even knock the door before you enter or what?
Sorry. Boss, someone is at the door looking for you. He said he's called boy.
I go share go many so Jimmy home. So Jimmy is here home. I also demand a mood man say. Don't come from full year as well. Let me.
Huh?
Let him in.
I thought he said let me.
He said, the people blow the woman because don't touch you. Say, Jimmy Coenza, man go come. He will come the money salary.
Please, I beg if I offended. If I'm saying,
Fear. No, see, the Jimmy Coenza, because you put anything in this house. Rosepa. I give you power, I give you client say so and that for the way you for use give her. You go change the format and everything. Why then the person you don't like they hate them read it my knee. Why who there? Yo, bad man.
here he is.
Super. Sure. What number we are called?
I want to know his mission. That's why I was starting.
Not again. I'm not in a good mood. Seriously, I tell you the truth.
It's my duty to protect you.
I know it's your duty, but I see you're okay, so leave.
You know him?
I know him.
then I think there's no problem. There's no problem anymore. Okay.
Me, you see almost $3,000. Me, what is that? You see, we would be out.
I'm sorry, boss. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Hi. Okay. See, Roseo, you want to own Roseo. Where I take job can give you. You see the point. You see the online. About the money, I give you what I talk to you, say, Chairman, this be the format, this be the way. So follow some, they need to chop some. See some stupidity we go do right now. Where format be other money, you know. I give you the login, say enter to someone. See what you go do. Some be like that too.
Charlie, this thing, you know be our way we used to do this thing.
Bro, I say imagine this be imagine.
I've been telling you this. I've been telling you this. You should follow me on. You should follow me. Alright?
But man, you know force or after you know force. What is it, boy? What's up?
You know what? You make you drop this for now, alright?
I don't go look at any self that I go see if I go forget another format like that. But I can't call though. Are you okay? Should I call him to say you something? I beg. Odogu. Danny. Hey, Chama, the Sera was saying American. Bro, my guy, he mess up, he mess everything up. This part where I take count small. I take count a bit $10, Chama, you can't spoil everything. I beg what Chama, wait, look percentage. I will take. I say, you know, wait. They come senior man. And I'm saying the percentage wise, I will take 40, take 60. I'll be okay. You understand? Copy that, Roger. I copy. You okay? 40 60. Me take it 40. Whatever 60. Why, Mr. I'm legit. Why? All right. Big ups, bro. One. Akosua.
Yes.
I beg. Can't see my friend. Juice in the or?
Yes.
Okay, bring some. How about Mr. here?
Who's that picture? Who's that picture?
When I knew maybe we get to.
Your new mate.
Yeah, my wife, you carry on.
So we get mate.
Okay, what?
Yeah.
What should I say?
No, you'll be okay. You just drop in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Try to prepare something, okay?
Okay.
Maybe you'll not be leaving soon. That's why this guy make me like it's for my day. It's for my day, bro. You really spoil my day. You what's up? Why was who? I never know. Who?
The girl.
What girl?
The girl who brought me the wine.
You mean the maid?
She's me.
Now walk on here. Now wait.
I swear, the girl fine. I swear. I never see this girl in town before.
Who this? Who they talk?
Charlie, you know what? I've been. Charlie, make you close this thing, make you talk.
I want to hear where they get money from. I beg. Make you don't mess up with me. Hear where they get money from. I beg.
Pause and make me talk. Pause
to talk about what? Huh?
What are you talking about?
See, if you take us, so I will suck you right now, bro. If it comes to money matters, I cannot joke with my money.
You go suck me?
Bro, you come with the money where. See, right now, if you go so like you go chill, they be the best chill. Money first, money be everything right now. Where they do money level to today, where you the worry.
For now, you know be money matter. Charlie, you know, I've been telling you to get me a girl. I've been telling you this. Charlie, you man. Listen to me, what's the meaning of this? Huh?
Maybe sweet. I don't understand things you like right now. Wait till be your problem right now.
Good.
Maybe wait till be your problem.
Good.
Me say that.
Charlie, my problem is saying you're made. Hey, Charlie, I feel that girl.
You don't get sense. Oh, tag bomb la show. You come no tag bomb don't la show la. You say you don't get sense. You sense when they talk say sense, knowledge, you don't get some wisdom, you don't get.
Why?
Men way go carry and we don't know anything. You odogu, you big boy like you sometimes you feel they raise money like this. You don't want somebody where like you go gang and bang for the street maid, common maid, my house help. Who are for her then like you also.
That girl no be made.
Then what should be?
That girl be white material. Eh? That girl, I swear she be white material. Bro, I beg, make a visa. I beg. I like this girl. Eh? Give me this girl. Let me talk to this girl.
My guy, see, make I tell you something. Me, you come about the way it come mess up. You know, see my heart to look good. I will search you right now. Forget say we be friends for so long, we my childhood friend or whatever. We will do the same game. But see, what you talking to me, they mail me for you, I swear. They mail me, you know, they like, I don't want, a bomb, I don't want to hear that thing, say. What you can do?
What's her name?
No, what you can do right now?
What is her name? What's it?
My guy,
May! May!
Hey,
Charlie.
behave, my guy, behave. Seriously, jokes aside, behave.
What's it?
Nah.
Tell her I want to talk to this girl, I swear. I won't beat this girl, right?
You are not say like you be a drama like you. So like I don't understand. Like you go that time then the left him or what? Like I don't understand.
This girl now actually I love him. I'll go marry him.
You see somebody for the first day, no, today, no. Somebody can say you know, you fall in the person.
Actually, it's affection, it's attraction. Like it has attracted me like magnet, bro.
Are you ready to leave or you're not ready to leave?
I want to live a beautiful life with her.
No, I'm not saying that. Go. They know what you are talking about, man.
Come on for there, Memeko. I have you. Met me at that. Memeko. May!
Alright, do your worst.
Can you please come?
Akosua.
Boss.
Please come.
Let me do your job. Let me do your job. Charlie, I will give you new clients, eh? I will bet Charlie that.
My guy.
Boss.
I think you are the perfect one. I've talked to your boss. He's okay.
Boss,
Right.
I thank God you have me inside there. I'm not interested. Boss, please, I need
Alright, okay. You're okay now. You see your face.
By your mean, why she fool? What is wrong with her? I don't know what anything. I say the casa is Yamana, Bias and me, Yamana.
If you were you fool, you know be in casa we be Yamana, you were you fool. You were my own, you be my paddy. You were me then you the road. When I talk to you say she be village girl, I didn't buy a chair. So now. Remember I tell you something. If you like sweet meat, they like sweet meat, pass me out. Now I be something. If you like sweet meat, I know be me. You know they like sweet meat, pass me. You know my spec. You know my type. Jai na. Are you quite pay? Okay.
No.
Come out. Yo.
You like him? You like?
Not that I like him. Not
like
you come out. See, I know they're in a good way now. You go show something or what? You go buy later. Come out. Okay, come out.
You don't sack me from your house.
Yeah, no, you come out. You go buy.
No. Are you serious?
I'm very serious, my guy.
You don't sack me.
Come out, you go back later. I don't really good at this. Like a vest, sick of the client, you know, a vest. The money we like right now, no, I miss now, a vest. So come out, you go back later.
Don't touch me.
Kohweigu! The cousin should be out with you like you. I can't take and go.
I heard you call my name.
Yeah, what, my guy.
You sack me from your house.
I'm not there, like I'm not there with self. I do what I say, make it take you.
My brother, as my boss said, you have to leave.
So when you get problem, you will call me.
I'll call you,
Problem what? At their house, as a professional security, you talking about problem. Are you mad? Come on, listen to me.
So when you get there, why do you go pay like this? What again? Kohweigu?
He don't go.
What that?
I don't send him.
Back to post. What that?
I don't send him to his place. Boss, no be easy. That guy was here to hurt you. I tell you. I do also copy of your hey, listen to this. My friend, go. And he was trying to come back and overcome me. And I said, me in my own opposition. In my own place, you can never sack me. Come on, my friend, move. My friend, move, and he's still standing there. My boss, as I'm talking to you right now, the guy forehead is on the ground. The guy forehead is on the ground, boss. Excuse me, sorry. You don't like that. You don't. Thank you very much. And when I get to the main gate, boss, you need to see what happened over there. I tell you. I knock his head. Then he fall down and roll. No, put a bellies. I tell you, boss. Well, put a bellies, man. I'm not even grown. You don't know me, Papa Bia. Forget about this guy. There are some guys you don't need to allow them to go. Are you okay? Also, are you okay? What is happening to you? Do you respect? Do you have respect? Yes, of course, boss. Hi.
Baby, what is it?
It's a woman that telling you, right?
But why?
What do you respect?
Boss, baby,
what is happening? What?
Yeah. What is happening?
You sip my drink?
Hey, Cathy.
And not even that.
Baby, come
you hate me?
Sorry, it was an explanation.
Baby,
and
what is it?
Diagonal sister Soma.
Baby.
I was trying to explain everything to you perfectly.
What's on your day?
Somebody came here and he was about to beat my boss, and I stand.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Kohweigu, me no diablo, right? Me no diablo. So what in that? What my go extend? Say what me better count to so. Oh my kunjemu. What behind your post? Here's what you tell the truth.
I'm sorry, boss.
Now that means we'll go for you. Who is your wife or back?
I'm not in a mood. I'm a sicker. I'm client to be sicker.
Okay. Action.
Huh? Me no diablo, right?
No.
Now Kohweigu, me no diablo. I just gave you simple assignment. Say somebody. What's my idea? What's our bet now? We cannot so. I said, me drink like a whole boss. I'm the one who pays you.
I'm sorry, boss.
89% I do some pass about me tea. Like seriously?
There's nothing after sorry.
Where?
There's nothing.
Shut up! If I'm talking, you don't talk. Listen to me very carefully.
Okay, boss.
Listen to me very carefully. Read my lips. I mean it.
Okay.
Where? And then your first and last. I repeat. Into quote. I say what? And then your first and last. Don't ever try that shit again.
Boss, excuse me. Shit is a toilet. What you say shit? I'm not shit here. Okay.
I'm
Sorry, boss. Madam, please. Your husband, didn't he learn English language well? When you talk of shit, it's like something when someone is evaporated from the stomach to the ground or to the sink. But he says shit. Am I look like a toilet? Then why you use that word on me? I don't like that. Better talk to him.
Catherine!
Please, madam, I beg, go. He will beat you. He will beat
Catherine!
Baby, I'm coming! What is it?
What is it?
Oh, Debbie, if you are craft follow me, like I'm sick and tired.
I'm sorry, madam.
I wish.
Calm down. Please, madam.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
Calm down.
Say